Hey, thanks for coming to check out today's video. So today's video is with a brand that I absolutely adore from Amazon. It's called Toyotress. I've done so many videos with them. So thank you so much, Toyotress, for sending over this hair and sponsoring this video. Now let's go ahead and jump right into it. All right, so the first thing I want to show is the braid pattern that I have today. It is my typical braid pattern, but I did change a few things. So these 3 pieces, or 6 pieces I should say, are just regular box braids of my own hair. And typically what I would do is lay them over and incorporate them into one of these braids down here. But I'm trying out just doing individuals for these ones, the illusion individuals for these ones. So I'm gonna try that out and see how that looks, because I plan to pretty much just wear this as a middle part. So that's why these are box braids. There is one more box, but I just incorporated that into the braid in the back. And then here on the side, I did do 1 box braid here and 1 box braid here, but I did incorporate those into the cornrows. And then this is just a straight back cornrow, and I did the same exact thing on this side, just 1 box braid here, 1 box braid here, and then just incorporated it into the cornrow. And the reason why I did that is just to give more of an illusion of individuals in the front when I pull it into a half up, half down. Now for the back, I did just do 1 braid going straight across the back, just to relieve tension off of the nape of my neck. And then I did 3 cornrows coming down. And so what I'll do is just combine these into here using my crochet hook. Do that with the rest of these, and then I'll go ahead and get started with the crochets. So let me check out the crochet hair that I have from Toyotress today. So it looks like they gave me some little hair design pieces. Of course, you're gonna always get a crochet hook. And let's see how many packs of hair I have. 1, 7, 8. Okay, so we get 8 packs of hair. So here's 1 pack. Let's count how many we get in 1 pack. 1, 2, 10, 11, 12 in each pack. The hair looks really pretty. It's pretty soft. Of course, lightweight. That's the one good thing about Toyotress. Their hair is always really lightweight. So on each lock, you're gonna get 1, 2 curls that hang from each lock, and then you have a curl at the end of the lock as well. So this loop is a really nice, decent size. I really like that. And the loop itself is soft. I like when the loop is soft, because when you're pulling it through your hair, it's not gonna be, you know, so difficult to work with. So I definitely like this type of loop. And let's go ahead and put one in just to see how easy or difficult it is. Okay, that's very, very easy. Let's see how the knot lays down once you put it in. Okay, yeah, and the knot is not too big. It's not too hard to work with. Pretty good. So definitely like that first one. So of course I'm going to do all of the back. I'll let you know how many packs I use doing the back, and then I'll come back and do some of the front so you can kind of see how I do these individuals. And yeah, I'll just come back with my final thoughts. Alright, so I'm just going to do a quick voiceover for this part. I went ahead and crocheted my hair through the loop of the crochet, and then looped it through my actual box braid. And then I just grabbed a piece of braid hair, it's just like a kinky piece of hair, and just twisted it around until I couldn't twist it anymore, and until my hair was completely covered. And that's how I did all the top locks at the top, and everything else is just crocheted in as normal. Now, I did have 8 packs of hair. I only ended up using 7, but I probably could have put a little bit more, but I think the density came out very natural, so I was happy with it. I like the way the hair looks pulled up, and I like how the middle part looked, so I went ahead and did my makeup so I can show you guys a couple of different styling options. So to style my baby hairs, I did use the Style Factor Edge Control. This is from Amazon. I'll leave a link down below if you want to try it out. And if you like my lipstick, it is from GLEEmade.com. I'll leave a link for that as well because this red lip is definitely fire. Of course, I had to share the half up, half down. This is my favorite way to wear my crochets. This style is no different. I absolutely love how the half up, half down looks. It's very youthful, but at the same time can look very mature, and it's just really a versatile style. So I love when I do these braid patterns that work out well for the half up, half down, because it is one of my go-to ways to wear my hair. Also had to test out the left part, the side part, the right side part, and the middle part, which all ended up looking really beautiful as well. I highly recommend this hair. It's a new style from Toyotress, so I really was excited to give it a try. It looks absolutely beautiful on, and it's a much more affordable way to get that human curly hair look, but using synthetic hair and for a much more affordable price. If you guys are interested in this hair, I will leave a link down below. You can grab it off of Amazon, and if you have any questions, please leave it in the comments. Make sure you do one thing for me: share the video, share it with a friend, share it with a crochet lover, share this video with your mama. Peace.